Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add videos to Animoto app. If you don't know how to add more than one video to the Animoto app, then this tutorial is for you. So let's get started. First of all, find the Animoto app, now open it. Then tap onto one of the styles of the video that you choose to add. Then tap onto the plus button and here you can find the camera roll option. Now tap on it. Now choose one video that you want to add, just like this. And then to add more videos, simply tap onto the plus sign button right here. And you can see the videos has been added. And that's it. This is how you can add more than one video in the Animoto app. Now enjoy editing and make professional videos. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.